The 2008 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, passenger airbag, power windows, fog lamps, remote power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.